Happy New Year, friends. Thank you for joining this interview. Today, we are talking to someone who is an Indian version of Warren Buffett, a person with Midas touch, truly an angel for startups. He's an angel investor and advisor for large corporate startups and entrepreneurs. Presently, he heads finance, procurement, and admin functionalities for Al Hajiri Oman. With us is Mr. Piyush Jain. Piyush Saab, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Shaju, for giving me this opportunity and your platform. I am glad to share my experience and thoughts through this platform. It's always good to meet like minded people with whom we can have a synergy and generate more energy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. My first question to you is, sir, as you are known as Guru, you are a chartered accountant and finance head of this large corporate house. What is your advice for investors in 2021? Can we get your advice, sir?
Well, not really a guru, but yes, I am a learner. I should say I am a learner in this ecosystem. It is simply amazing ecosystem, Shaju. It gives a lot of opportunity in terms of enhancing your own knowledge, to meet and share ideas with the generation next, create wealth for the entire nation, generate more employment, and most important for me, I look the investing activity as my way of giving back to the society. I strongly suggest to all professionals, especially the ones doing good, to take the risk and have this asset class as well in their portfolio. Times are challenging, and challenging times only brings the best in you. Investing in startup is more an art and less a financial decision. It's about investing in future, it's about putting your money on someone who is passionate about an idea, study the business model, connect with the promoters, understand and feel the frequency, and then only take a call. A word of caution to all the new investors: it's the most risky asset class. Put the money which you are ready to lose, which you don't need for next 5 years. And you can invest in small kitties.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Well noted. My next question is from the entrepreneur side. What strategy should the startup companies adopt to attract investors?
There are a lot, Saju, and there is no specific answer to the question you have asked. There are startups who work silently, they bootstrap all the money, and once they have a solid product, then only they come and announce to the market that, hey, we are here to disrupt the market. And there are startups who actually create a buzz first. They have an idea, they get the money from the various investors, work hard, and then they develop an entire product and business model. I feel to attract the investors and to put in money, startups needs to have a clear idea on what actually they want to do, what is their target audience, and the pitch deck should be very clearly focused on their revenue model and the expansion plans. They should know why they need the money and where they are going to invest that money. More important, there are a lot of startups who take the money, who are able to raise the funds, but after they get the funds, they feel themselves lost. So I strongly suggest that startups should have a very good finance guy in their team who can actually direct them as to where they need to go once the funds are there, and how the important financial controls are kept since the beginning in the industry. There is a saying, "Jo dikta hai, wo bikta hai." It's a very old saying, and so I strongly feel that co-founders and investors needs to be very close to this venture capitalist and angel investments.
Right, sir. Right. So my next question would be very interesting for the startups. If any startup company approaches you, and not directly you, maybe through me, if they approach, would you be interested to invest? Are you open to discussions around investment? Can I have your advice or status on that, sir?
Yes, I am open for that idea, Shaju. The important thing is we should touch as many life as we can, and I would be happy to make changes in as many life as I can. In fact, there are a lot of friends of mine who are investing with me as a group when I share an idea with them and I like a startup which I am bullish on. We are always happy to put money and support promoters and co-founders to create a better company. Thanks a lot, Shaju. I am happy to share my thoughts on this platform with you. And definitely in this tough times and pandemic period, I pray for everyone's safety and health.
I look forward for the startup ideas which may come through you. Yeah, happy investing.
Thank you, Piyush sir. Thank you so much for giving us this time. We are truly obliged. To all my viewers, I request you to subscribe to this channel. I thank you for watching this. Keep in touch. Stay safe, be happy. Wish you a very happy and prosperous new year ahead.